are marsupials native to Australia and New Guinea. Physical characteristics. Kangaroos are known for their powerful hind legs and large feet, which allow them to hop and leap with incredible speed and distance. They have a long, thick tail that they use for balance and support. Their small forelimbs are used for grasping and grooming. Species and distribution. The term kangaroo is most commonly used to describe the largest species, including the red kangaroo, eastern grey kangaroo, and western grey kangaroo. There are also many smaller species of kangaroos, known as wallabies. Kangaroos are found throughout Australia and in parts of New Guinea. Behavior and lifestyle. Kangaroos are herbivores, feeding mainly on grasses and shrubs. They are social animals and live in groups called mobs. Kangaroos can be dangerous due to their powerful legs and sharp claws. Reproduction. Female kangaroos have a pouch on their abdomen where they carry their young, called joeys. Joeys are born at a very immature stage and spend several months developing in the pouch. Conservation status. Kangaroos are generally considered to be of least concern in terms of conservation status. However, some species are threatened by habitat loss and introduced predators.